What if the next stock market crash isn't coming someday, but is already starting right now? The warning signs are here. And most people are ignoring them. Every major crash in history follows a pattern. In 2000, the dot-com bubble burst. In 2008, the housing market collapsed. And each time people said the same thing: this time is different. But it never is. Markets rise, people get greedy, and then reality hits. Right now, the global economy is flashing red signals. Inflation has been rising rapidly, especially in countries like the United States and United Kingdom. Central banks like the Federal Reserve have increased interest rates to control it. But higher interest rates come with a cost. Loans become expensive. Businesses slow down, people spend less, and when spending stops, companies start to struggle. Here's the scary part. Even with all these problems, the stock market still looks strong. Why? Because markets don't crash when things look bad. They crash when people stop believing everything is okay. Right now, many stocks are still overpriced, driven by hype, AI excitement, and speculation. It's the same kind of confidence we saw before past crashes. So what could actually cause the crash? It could be anything. A major bank failure, a sudden recession, or even a global crisis. Crashes don't need a big reason. They just need a moment of panic. And once fear spreads, the market falls faster than anyone expects. So, are we ready? The truth is, most people aren't. Because just like every time before, they think it won't happen again. But history says otherwise. What do you think? Is a crash coming soon, or is this just fear? Comment your opinion below and subscribe for more real financial stories.